Number two, we're going to look at the product of a property, of a power property. So right here, notice these are just going to be multiplications of each other, right? So here it would be x, which is the base. The 4 is going to be added to the other exponent of 3, leaving you with x to the 7. Okay, the reason why that is because x to the 4th really means x times x times x times x. That's what x to the 4th means. Okay, then what does x to the 3rd means? That means it is going to be x times x times x. There are 7 x's together. That's the reason why we add the exponents, leaving you with an x to the 7. All right, let's take a look at this. Here we have the x. The exponents here will add 5, add with the negative 4. Nothing happens to that 4 in front, and that nothing happens to this z. 5 minus 4 is 1. So x to the exponent of 1, nothing happens to that 4, and there's a z in the end. Technically, no one really writes that 1, so the answer could just be 4x to the z power. C. Okay, this is a parentheses times another parentheses. Understand it is a by multiplication. So we can group this first by the coefficient. So 2 times negative 5 would be the numbers. Now we want the variables or the letters. Okay, we have x to the 7, x to the 4, and z to the 5. But notice we have x to the 7 and x to the 4. The exponents here will what? Add. All right. Okay, and the fact that it adds 7 plus 4, that becomes 11. So we can write this as just a 11. Okay, so this leaves us now at 2 times negative 5, which we can simplify here to get a negative 10. So the final answer is negative 10 x to the 11 power z to the 5th power. And there you go. That is how you apply the product of a power property.